Are those stucco cracks on your home driving you crazy? You might think they're just an eyesore, but today we're peeling back the layers. I'm Justin at Dalinghaus Construction, and we're going to talk about why your home's exterior is actually a check engine light for your foundation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cracks are minor and which ones mean your home is shifting beneath your feet. Let's break down the 5 most common types of stucco cracks we see out in the field. Not all cracks are created equal. Hairline cracks. These often signal minor surface issues, but don't ignore them. If neglected, they can attract termites or let moisture seep in, which only makes things worse. Foam trim cracks. If you see cracking around your decorative foam trim, it could mean your vapor barrier is compromised. We often recommend a foundation leveling assessment when these pop up. Crossed pattern cracks. These look like a grid and usually happen where plywood supports or foam insulations meet. It's a sign of uneven pressure in your building's envelope. Spider cracks. These subtle web-like lines can be a preliminary sign of foundation issues or moisture seeping through the cement. While we can sometimes use putty for minor repairs, you need to monitor these closely for structural shifts. Diagonal line cracks. These are the ones that really grab our attention. They often hint at internal shifts or compromised retaining walls. If you see these, it's time to call in an engineer to look at your foundation and plumbing systems. So, why is the stucco cracking in the first place? It usually comes down to foundation settlement. This happens when the soil beneath your home doesn't behave. Soil and moisture. Inconsistent soil moisture or poor compaction leads to structural misalignment. Drainage issues. If water builds up around your foundation, it creates pressure that forces moisture towards your beams. This contributes directly to the settlement that induces those visible cracks. The slab warning. A crack near your concrete slab is a huge indicator that your deep foundation is settling. I know it's tempting to wait, but neglecting these issues is a recipe for financial strain. The escalation. A tiny inch-wide gap today can turn into a massive structural failure tomorrow. Our case studies show that timely intervention is significantly cheaper than a full replacement later on. Ignoring cracks can even lead to energy inefficiencies and mold risks in your high moisture areas like bathrooms. Before you reach for the stucco filler, let's talk prevention. Inspections. Check your surfaces regularly for mildew or roof leaks. Landscaping. Keep your foliage trimmed back. Roots and debris should stay at a safe distance to keep your soil stable. Moisture control. Ensure your drainage systems are actually moving water away from your house. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't just patch holes, we secure your home's future. Whether you're seeing spider patterns or those scary diagonal lines, our professional inspections identify the hidden damage that isn't always visible to the naked eye. Don't let a small crack become a big headache. Identifying these causes early allows you to protect your investment and keep your home resilient. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.